Welcome to ISlide's bulk ordering site. Creating custom slides for your team or group is easy if you follow these steps. First, you will need to create an account from the bulk homepage. Once your account has been created, specify your order needs by choosing shipping, size, and payment preferences. Next, it's time to pick products for your shop. Create a new shop and pick a product to customize. Once you're on the product page, it is time to customize your first product. Pick a slide color and upload a logo of your choice. You can have logos match on both sides or provide separate logos for the left and right foot. Make sure to use a JPEG or PDF file type for best quality printing. Feel free to adjust the size and location of the logo directly on the product to the left. Next, there is the option to choose a preset design background. If you do choose a design, you can adjust the colors to match, and don't worry, you can add other designs to your shop later. Once your custom mockup is ready, make sure to add that product to your shop via the button at the bottom of the page. Now it's time to have fun. Add more products and new designs to your shop by choosing from our assortment of customizable models. Each individual product and design must be submitted to your shop after being customized. Once all of your slides and socks have been added to your shop, please officially submit your shop for approval. The ISlide team will check all details and designs before going live and get back to you within 1 business day. After your shop is approved, it is now time to share your shop link with your group and start ordering. Each person can now add custom products to their cart by choosing their size, quantity, and personalization needs for each desired design. Once your cart has been loaded, it is time to check out. All customers can expect their order to ship in 7 to 10 days. For help with the process or any other ISlide questions, please contact customer service at islideusa.com.